Hi guys, welcome to my channel Shimmers and Polishers. Hope you all are doing well. If you're new here, I create eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notification. So we are celebrating the season of love, and I bring to you another eye makeup look perfect for the Valentine's Day and very easy to create. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige, and I'm going to blend that all well with the help of a flat concealer brush. And then I'm going to set this with Colourpop's setting powder in this shade translucent. For this eye makeup look, I'm going to use Butter from the Morphe into Jaclyn Hill palette as my transition shade, and I'm going to blend that all well, and I'm going to go over again until I'm happy with the color payoff. Star shade of this eye makeup look is this beautiful bronze shade from Morphe's 35H Hotspot palette, and the shade is called Outfit Change. It's a beautiful shimmery brown shade. So I'm taking that with the help of my fingers, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid, first with my fingers and then with a flat brush. As it's Valentine's, I wanted to use a nice red eyeliner. For this, I'm going to use Huda Beauty's Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Heartbreaker on a eyeliner brush, and I'm going to create a nice winged liner. It's like bronze and red are like match made in heaven, and I love how this look turned out to be. You can use any colors of your choice again, and I think I know everyone has a red lipstick in their vanity, so this is very easy to create. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to go next working on my brows. And for this, I'm going to use Sugar's Brow Definer in the shade Cherry Brown. And I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows as always. And I'm going to brush that all in place. Working on my under eye dark circles, I'm going to go on with LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade medium beige first, and I'm going to blend that all well. And then over that, I'm going to go with Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium. I like this combination. I feel it works much better till I find another way out of it. So next goes in the Maybelline's Age Rewind Concealer in the shade medium. I'm going to blend that all well and then set it with Colourpop setting powder in the shade translucent. Next, I'm going to use Maybelline's Colossal Kajal on my upper waterline, and for my low waterline, I'm going to use this shade called Party On. It's a beautiful maroon shade from the same palette, and I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. I wanted some color on my low waterline. First, I thought I'll just leave it like that, but no, I wanted some color, so I'm going to go with this maroon shade from that palette. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the shade Butter and smoke out my lower lash line further. I'm going to elongate my inner waterline as well with the same eyeliner. And next I'm going to go with Wet n Wild's colored Kohol in Calling You Buff on my low waterline. And for my highlight, I'm going to use my trusty The Balm's Mary Luminizer as my brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight. I'm going to add a tad bit extra highlighter this time because I love that highlighter. And next I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply Maybelline's Lash Sensational Mascara. If you can go ahead and add falsies if you would like to. And voila, there you have it. Easy eye makeup look, perfect for the Valentine's. Just one or two shadows and a lipstick, and you're good to go. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well, guys. Show some love this season of love to my channel by hitting that subscribe button and helping me grow my channel, and please follow and love my work. And until next time, y'all take care and happy Valentine's. I love y'all, guys. Bye bye.